Hi, in this video, we're going to see how we can install Google Tag Manager on a Squarespace website. So the first thing that you're going to do is come to your admin dashboard and then go to website pages, and then you're going to scroll down to custom code and then code injection. So here you will see two sections, header and footer. Now come up to your Google Tag Manager account, click here, and you're going to copy this code and paste it in the head section, and then you're going to copy this one and paste it in the footer section, and that's it. You're going to hit save, and now Google Tag Manager is installed on your Squarespace website. Now in order to test whether it is working correctly or not, open up the Google Tag Manager, go to preview mode, and put in your website address. And as you can see here, it says connected.